song stuck in my head. No clue what it is.
You don't have DJ Detector? Everybody has it. You just sing the song into the app and it'll tell you what song it is.
Oh my god, no way. Show me.
Open the app, record the song that you are singing, the tunes and the lyrics, and it will tell you what song it is. It'll even let you download the songs from iTunes.
Oh my god, I'm so downloading that right now. That is the coolest app ever.
Try it.
Okay. Oh my god, that is my song. This is the best app ever. I'm downloading it right now.
And it's free.
Oh my god.
DJ Detector is the new and upcoming app in music trends. It's free to use, it's simple to use, and you get one free iTunes song download when you download the app. This app will allow you to sing the lyrics or tune on your smartphone, and the DJ Detector will find the song and the artist that it matches to what you sing. It even lets you purchase it through iTunes. So, when you want to know, detect on the go.